The news on NBC6 at 6 starts now.
North Korea is not the only topic preoccupying the president. Mr. Trump held what he called a major briefing today on the opioid epidemic, one that has hit Florida especially hard. NBC6 reporter Steve Litz has the president's remarks on this major problem. Steve?
Hi, Jackie. Let's first talk about the local numbers. These are opioid-related deaths in Miami-Dade and Broward counties, according to the medical examiner's offices. Last year, the two counties reported heroin, which is an opioid, was present in or the cause of 282 deaths. Now, compare that to 18 in 2011, and what you have there is a 15-fold increase. It is a drug epidemic continuing to impact communities here and across the country. America's opioid epidemic getting the attention of President Donald Trump, looking to keep the crisis top of the news.
Drug overdose is now the leading cause of accidental death in the United States, and opioid overdose deaths have nearly quadrupled since 1999.
Before the president, it was Attorney General Jeff Sessions last week addressing the crisis in opioid-ravaged Ohio, unveiling a new program aimed at tracking down physicians and others illegally prescribing the painkillers. Aventura psychiatrist Dr. Delvina Thomas told me managing pain, especially with potentially addictive drugs, can be tricky.
If a patient complains about pain, you have to create a plan for them. The pharmaceutical industry has to give us better options as well. We need pain relievers or pain medications that are effective but not addictive.
A University of Virginia study shows 1 in 3 Americans had a prescription for opioids in 2015. The CDC reports about 1,000 people are treated in emergency rooms every day for improperly using opioids. The most commonly overdosed, according to the government, are methadone, oxycodone, and hydrocodone. Earlier today, top elected officials and others met in Palm Beach County to discuss the crisis there, a community that last year saw almost 600 opioid-related deaths.
If we don't talk about it, if we don't alert people and let them know that this is happening, that this exists, including in our school systems, then people will continue to use, these addictions will continue to be created, and people will continue to die.
The president has established a drug commission, which is calling on him to declare a national emergency to deal with the opioid epidemic. Live in the newsroom, I'm Steve Litz, NBC6 News.
Steve, thank you.